See guys, in this video, you know what we are going to see? The new syllabus. So that is where title itself is there. First, we will see CA foundation. Okay, what are the changes I have brought? What are the eligibility criteria? What are the transition positions? Right? Then we'll go to CA inter. Then we'll move to CA final. Okay. So we'll go one by one. Are we clear? Are we in the game? Done. Now, if you look into CA foundation, right, eligibility criteria remains the same. That is, after 12th only you have to do it. So, sir, what is the change? There are 4 papers, Kana. 4 papers. Now, the first paper is called as accounts. At last, given a simple name, principles and practices of accounting and all gone. Accounts. Accounting, basically. Right? Second paper, they brought it to business law. Third paper is quantitative aptitude, basically max. The last one is economics, business economics. Now, if you look into this, right, accounts, they have added few chapters from CA Inter. Let us look into the syllabus. Look into CA foundation syllabus. The first chapter, second chapter and all are same. Where is the change if you ask me? If you come to chapter 11, company accounts, if you see there, they have added a redemption of preference shares. They have added, redemption of debentures. They have added accounting for bonus and right issue. This was in CA Inter. They have added it here. Okay, this is what in a first glance look. This video is going to be an overall view only, right? Then detail subject wise changes, the respective teachers will come and give you an analysis, right? So that is what these are the changes. Okay, now paper 2, if you look into it, right, they have added something, Indian regulatory framework. They have added a new chapter to be starting with an Indian Contract Act. They have taken from Inter, there was other laws, Indian Contract Act. They have taken that portions and put it here, right? And other things remain constant. Chapter 7, Negotiable Instrument Act, is brought from CA Inter to here. Okay, that is some changes for law. Now, quantitative aptitude, almost 95% is same. Yes. No, almost no changes. Few chapters here, deletion, additions have happened. Like for example, sampling in statistics is something new. Okay, they have added into it, right? Otherwise remains new. Now, big changes in economics. CA Inter, they have brought it to foundation. Inter, there was one paper called Economics for Finance, right? That full paper, they have brought it to here. Okay, they have fully brought it to 7, 8, 9, and something new, Indian economy also they have added. Okay, that's a new chapter altogether itself. These are the some changes which they have brought into for foundation. Now, sir, what is the pass mark? See, before it was saying 50% each paper you should get. Now the final draft says 40% each paper to pass and 50 overall. So they have maintained what it is. Before in the draft, it was saying that, sir, it is 50% in each paper. But in the final version, what they have said, institute has said 40 in each paper, 50 overall. And negative marking is there, guys, for paper 3 and paper 4 because they are MCQ paper. They are MCQ paper. So before I move on, any questions in this foundation level you can ask me, so that any foundation questions you have, I will answer. Now, sir, I am writing, some questions are there. Sir, May 2024, or sorry, you are going to write June 2024. June 2024, which syllabus should I follow? Sir, you have to follow the new syllabus. New 4 papers are there? No, that is what it is. Second question. Sir, I am going to write in November exam. Let us say I don't clear. Then what happens to June exam? What syllabus? Sir, then also new syllabus only, sir. So it is a forceful change, compulsory change. Sir, books will be outdated. Yes, you need to buy the new books again. ICAI has given a provision where you pay 500 rupees, you will get the new books. Okay, that we'll see in a later video. Are we clear with foundation? Are we clear with foundation? Can we go to inter? Yes. So now we'll go to inter, macha. Okay. What are the changes? Inter, there's been a drastic reduction in the portions. Let's accept it. Right? Paper, how many papers are there? Only 6 papers. Okay. Only 6 papers. Accounts, advanced accounts, they have merged it and they are calling advanced accounting. They are calling it as advanced account. Next, what is the paper? Now, corporate law. Corporate law is still there. Now, what is the change in corporate law? And all we'll see it. Okay, after this. Now, tax has come, both direct tax and indirect tax. Now, in the draft version, they were saying, right, tax will go to group 2. But my friends, in the final version, this is group 1. This is group 1. Sir, what is group 2 then? Costing is starting, right? Cost and management accounting is starting the group 2. Then what we have is audit and ethics. Yes, ethics have combined. They have come back. Before IPCC, we call it as corporate law and business law. It was there. Corporate law and ethics. Now they brought back the ethics. And last, FM and SM. These are the 2 papers which they have bought. Okay. So this is group 2. This is group 2. Are we clear? Now what are the changes? We will just run through them. Yes. Group 2 changes, if you look into it. Major merging of group 1 to group 2. I mean, advanced accounting and accounting, full merge, right? And some portions have been taken to foundation level also. So these are the changes in an macro overall view. Now, if you look into corporate and other laws, what are the changes? Right? Company law, from certain company law portions of CA final has been bought here. Okay. And other laws, general laws, interpretation of statutes are there as similar. Foreign exchange management, this was CA final portions. They have bought it to CA inter, right? If you look into the efforts, more or less, they have maintained the same. Corporate law and other laws remain the same because they have removed, from the inter level, they have removed certain Indian Contract Act and all, they have removed it to foundation. So they have bought FEMA as an act. Okay, these are the changes. Tax and indirect tax remain almost same, right? Further details will be followed by the respective teachers in detail. Cost management, right? Here slight changes are made, but almost the same structure. ABC costing, everything, whatever you have studied only, you have got through. Okay. Audit and ethics, almost same. Ethics, yes, something new which they have added. If you look into it, there is ethics module. Yes, they have added some ethics and terms of audit engagement. Audit engagement was already there. Some ethics elements they have added. Financial management, overall, almost same. And SM also almost same. Okay, there's no major changes in the portions if you look into it of CA Inter. Are we clear? Now, the questions which will come up. What are the questions? Sir, I clear group 1. what happens to group 2? Right? That questions are there. We will answer them. Transition scheme, if you look into what is this transition scheme, means how to convert old syllabus to the new syllabus. Now I want you to go in detail. I'll put this thing in the link below. Right? Now what they have said is examinational control will take, if you look into notable points of conversion, all the existing students will be automatically converted into new syllabus. That is, November 2023 is the last exam for CA Inter. Now, sir, I have registered for CA Inter. I have started my articleship. Whatever you do, boss, come May 2024, you have to write the new syllabus only. Okay, it is as if, so 10 days back, I was getting some comments. So 10 days back, I registered for the old syllabus itself. What syllabus I am in? Sir, you are in new syllabus only because you are not eligible to write the November exam. Yes, if you are not eligible to write the November exam, you are automatically converted into the new syllabus. Now, one major thing, if you look into it, group wise, paper wise exemption, if you look into it here, will be announced by the examination department separately. Now, they have not clearly told. The most important question which we were asking is, sir, if I clear group 1, what happens? If I clear group 2 in Inter especially, in final they have been very clear. CA final they have clearly said, sir, if you clear group 1, consider in new syllabus also group 1 cleared. Group 2 also, if you clear CA final group 2, consider new syllabus group 2 cleared. But in Inter, they have not clearly told. They have said on case to case basis only, we will see what it is. Okay, so group wise and paper wise exemption will be announced by the examination team. So they have not been very clear with the exemption patterns. Are we clear on that? Right? Now, after clear, what I say, so what are the exam changes? 40% in each paper, here also 50 overall. 50 overall. Now, sir, they have added something called 30% MCQ or case study based objective questions. Okay, case study based objective questions they have implemented for CA Inter as well as for final. Are we clear? So that is one thing which is a major change. So all the papers are going to get 30% MCQ. So it is going to be more objective. So results are going to be more objective in nature, right? That is a very good benefit for the students. Are we clear on it? Now, eligibility criteria. What is the eligibility criteria? Sir, I have cleared CA foundation and coming. There is foundation route. There is direct entry route. Correct? Now, foundation route, if I come, what is it? You have to clear CA foundation. What is the exam you will be clearing right now? You are waiting for the results of July. This May, right now I wrote, right? So you are eligible for the next May 2024 exam. CA Inter, you are eligible. Okay. Sir, I am writing November. November what? 2023. If you are writing November 2023, you are eligible only for November 2024 exam. Are we clear? Are we all clear on that? Now, direct entry students. Please listen. There's been a big change. What a change is this? That is, if you are in UG last year, or your past, what is that? If you are UG last year, you can register for CA and wait for 8 months because you need studying period for 8 months. Then you are eligible for your CA Inter exam. Now, before, if I have to compare, what it was happening was you have to clear CA intermediate. Sorry, you have to pass undergraduate. Then you have to do 9 months articleship. Understand? 9 months articleship. Then you write CA Inter. Now what they are saying, sir, you are in last year now of UG degree. You can register now. 8 months. After that, you graduate, right? Between 8 months itself, you will graduate. Let's say you are in 5th semester or 6th semester, right? You register. Then you will, 8 months passes by and you upload the mark sheet that I have, I have passed my UG degree. I have scored 60 percentage in my commerce, right? Then if you say that, immediately after graduation, you can write your CA inter exam. What a time saving! After graduation, you can just write your CA inter exam. So huge change, welcome change. Otherwise, 9 months of articleship, so much of time students are wasting on it. That is a major change on direct entry. Are we clear? Any questions right now for CA inter, please ask. I'll be more than happy to guide you. Sir, if paper 2, 3 under the existing market exemption, do I need to write group 1? Mostly not, but I'm not sure, Kanna. Exemption, they have told, if you look into it, if they have told the examination team will take care of group wise and paper wise exemption will be announced by the examination team separately. So they are thinking about it. They have not fully come into conclusions. Idea of is what I personally believe. So once they get into it, we will again let you know. Okay. What else is the question? So now, sir, I have started my articleship, everything. If I cover all the scenarios, the video will be too big, right? But I will attach this document for you. This as everything. Sir, I have registered for articleship now. What should I do? If I have not, I am going to register. What should I do? I am in old syllabus. Everything they have covered in this document, I will attach in the document. Okay. Now going to CA final. I'll move on to CA final. Again here CA final also 6 papers only. Okay. 6 papers only. So 6 papers, if you look into it, paper 1, they have made it what? FR, financial reporting. Paper 2 is SFM. They didn't call it as SFM. They have made it as what? Advanced financial management. Paper 3 is audit. Alright. Then paper 4, they have bought it direct tax. Paper 5, indirect tax. And paper 6, they have something called integrated case study. Okay. Case study exam. So almost all the CA final, there's not changes except for that case study exam, which we have, we have to know more details about it. We have to see sample question papers and other things. Now, before they were saying open book and other things, information has not come out yet. Now, what is it? Open book or not? We are not our restricted open book and all they were saying, correct? That they are not clear with it. So I'm mostly it will be closed book then, right? Here also 30% would be MCQ, which is there. Okay. Now, if you look into it, syllabus wise, CA final. Now, this is what, let me go to the integrated case study, right? So, they can ask any question from these questions paper. Okay. That is, they are saying, sir, you know that there was something called corporate and economics law and strategic cost and performance management in CA final old syllabus, right? That question also can be tested in this integrated question, in integrated case study. So they are, going to test you a lot in this paper. So we have to wait and see what is the question paper. Mostly this might be an open book also, right? That details they have not told yet. Are we clear on it? Now, major changes, articleship, they have said, sir, 2 years only articleship. The third year and all they are saying now after qualification you will do third year, that and all they have removed, right? There's nothing. 2 years is what articleship period it is. Uninterrupted articleship period. Now, once I clear CA inter, there's IT training, OT training is there now still, that is there. Then you start your articleship, 2 years of articleship. Then during your articleship, you have to do online based course. So that is there. Online based course is there. There is set A, B, C, D. A and B is nothing but economics and commercial laws. B is nothing but strategic cost management. C and D is some certain papers are there which are elective for you to choose. Okay, these are expert knowledge papers. These are all working professional papers is what they are saying. So there will be an online portal. You have to see the classes and attend the exam. That is how these particular things are going to be tested. This will be tested, as I told you, will be tested in the integrated case study based exam. Now going forward, now here they have been very clear. Group 1 you have cleared in CA final law. Then consider in the new syllabus also group 1 clear. Group 2 you have cleared, consider group 2 clear. That they have clearly said in CA final. But CA inter they have not told it. Okay. These are the some changes which have been made. Then online program you attend, then you have to do advanced training program. 2 years is done. Plus 6 months you should have. After 2 years of completion, you should give 6 months gap. Then only you can write your CA final exam. This is the change which they have brought. Are we clear? Sir, new syllabus is easy, tough. At the end of the day, guys, when you want to say you're a chartered accountant, you should go through the rigor. Right? It will be the same. Right? Maybe easy to study, tough to the same difficulty level only they will be maintaining is what I personally believe. So for the articleship students, I will make a separate video on articleship. So if I am this case scenario, I am that case scenario, I'll make a separate video very shortly. Okay. This video is about what is the overview of the syllabus, what are the exemption, transition patterns and other things. That is what I wanted to tell you guys. Yes, if I clear group 1 in November 2023, what will I need to write? See, that is what Kana I'm saying. If you go to FAQ, they have something called FAQ also. If you look into it, every FAQ, this also I'll attach it. Okay, let us go to the transition period. Practical training, self-online course, transition scheme. Now if you look into it, I have registered so and so. With that we have answered. Now I have passed either groups or both the groups, CA intermediate, and I have not commenced mine. How will I continue? You would be required to pass the remaining paper or groups of CA intermediate. If you are not passed both the groups, after passing the groups only you can start the intermediate. So you cannot start your articleship now after 30th of June. That is from now onwards, no more articleship starting unless both the papers are cleared. Now, if you look into it, I have registered for CA intermediate through direct entry. Majority would come here, some of you, right? And commence the practical training on or before 1st of February. How will I continue? You are eligible to write the November 2023 exam now. As per the syllabus whole scheme, you will continue with 3 years of practical. So you alone will continue with 3 years of practical. Okay, others will continue with 2 years. Now, if you do not want, you can change it also. That rules also will come. Clear? Now, what is the paper exemption? We are not sure yet, to be honest. The examination team will have to come and tell what is the exemption. Sir, I have passed accounting, I have passed advanced accounting, I have not passed advanced accounting. What should I do? Will I get exemption? Not sure. Right? So, they will come tell a detailed exemption pattern for that. Then, once that is told, I will come and tell you guys also. That's what I said. Your past group 1 means we are not sure yet. That details have not come out yet. Let's wait for the details. Are we clear? Any other questions you have? So I wanted to keep it short and sweet. I hope I have answered majority of your doubts, right? So in next 3-4 days, you will be getting series of videos on the new syllabus. We'll take a particular topic and we'll dive deep into it. Okay. Till then, see you. Tata. That's it for this video, guys. Bye bye. Take care.